Imagine turning a dilapidated dump into a six-figure profit in just months. But what if one hidden cost sinks your entire venture? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the must-know secrets before you fix and flip your first house. Imagine turning a dilapidated dump into a six-figure profit in just months. But what if one hidden cost sinks your entire venture? Stick around, because today we're uncovering the must-know secrets before you fix and flip your first house. Before you even glance at a property listing, let's lay down the financial foundations. First, establish a detailed budget. This isn't just about the purchase price. Factor in repairs, materials, labor, and unexpected surprises like structural issues. Use tools like spreadsheets to track every penny, ensuring you don't overspend and erode your profits. Next, understand your financing options. Traditional bank loans, hard money lenders, or even private investors, each has pros and cons. Hard money loans offer quick cash, but come with higher interest rates, ideal for short-term flips. Then calculate your maximum purchase price using the 70% rule. Never pay more than 70% of the after repair value minus repair costs. For example, if a home's ARV is $200,000 and repairs cost $30,000, your max buy is $110,000. This rule keeps you profitable. Finally, know all holding costs. These include mortgage payments, utilities, insurance, and property tax while you renovate. They can add up fast. Budget at least 1 or 2% of the property value per month to avoid nasty surprises. Now dive into market and property analysis. Master the ARV, after repair value. This is what the home will sell for post-renovation. Research comparable sales in the area or comps using tools like estate agent databases or online platforms. Get this wrong and you're flip-flop. Location, location, location. It's repeated for a reason. Choose up-and-coming neighborhoods with good schools, low crime, and proximity to amenities. Avoid areas with declining values or oversaturated markets. And know the most critical systems: foundation, roof, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. These aren't sexy, but faults here can balloon costs. Hire an inspector early to spot red flags like cracks or outdated wiring. On to the renovation process. Build a reliable team, contractors, electricians, plumbers. Vet them with references and contracts to avoid delays or shoddy work. Prioritize high ROI updates. Focus on kitchens and bathrooms. They yield the best returns. Think modern cabinets, quartz countertops, and energy-efficient appliances over frivolous additions. Obtain proper permits. Skipping this can lead to fines or forced do-overs. Check local regulations for everything from electrical to structural changes. Manage the timeline aggressively. Flips thrive on speed. Aim for 3 to 6 months max. Use project management apps to track progress and hold your team accountable. Delays mean higher holding costs. Work with an experienced real estate agent from the start. They can help find deals, advise on ARV, and market the finished product effectively. As you near the finish line, pre-plan staging and photography. A well-staged home sells faster and for more. Hire pros to make it shine online. Be prepared for closing costs. These can eat 2 to 5% of the sale price, including agent commissions, title fees, and taxes. Factor them into your budget early and always have a backup plan. What if the market dips? Rent it out short-term or hold longer. Flexibility is key in real estate. Fixing and flipping can be your ticket to entrepreneurial success. but only if you're prepared. Apply these tips and turn properties into profits. Subscribe for more real estate insights, and let's build your empire.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.